Okay. Sorry if this offends anyone.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. Sorry, not sorry.
Sensitive people are going out this day. You're good. You're in basements. You're in the basements.
I might have to pause the scroll. So I gotta say really quick that I just took my Christmas lights down. The snowman's still out there. There's still some out back. It's not July though, so we're good. Dirt chicken, there won't be no finger licking. All these years stay in your own yard. Dirt chicken, your husband should be in prison. Why is he always flying stars and bars? Won't you put some tires on the cars? Mow the lawn, paint your shade. Don't you wish the kids were dead? Why don't you take down your Christmas lights? House coming, mom call, always got the heated hall. Trying to take a bath, it might feel right. For God's sake, take down those Christmas lights. Dirt chicken, 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 dirt chicken. I don't wanna be your friend, let's fight. Tank tops and cut off jeans with your figure isn't seen. I don't wanna see them tan lines. You might think they're Daisy May. I don't care what you say, but her face, you might think you're fine. Cover that shit for I don't mind. Dirt chicken, 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 dirt chicken. I don't wanna be your friend, let's fight. Tell your husband, sell that boat, that enough will never float. I don't understand you when you talk. Your house is up on cinder blocks, your backyard is full of rocks, cause you had an outline made of chalk. You're so drunk that you can't even walk. Dirt chicken, 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 dirt chicken. I don't wanna be your friend, let's fight. Wish that you had moved and changed my life. Dirt chicken. The term dirt chicken coined by my friend Jen over here to describe her horrible, horrible neighbors.
Good job.
That song was written at 2 a.m. by like 8 of us around a campfire, and we had been drinking a lot of moonshine.
It was okay. Still doing okay?
Yeah, thank you.